Since the root is quite small, I just can downsize the pot. I put about that much. Here. So right now the stem is pretty much same thickness with the pen. One is same, the other one is thinner than pen. So yes, I mean this is pretty much everything for today's video. I mean it's pretty sad that I have to trim it all, but I will eventually encourage to having a new shoot from the bottom, and then it will have a better shape. And that's what I was aiming to do. So this time I just trim it off. The day that I'm filming right now is 9th of January. Maybe let's see how long it's gonna take for having a new shoot. It is still summer, and then hope the plant's growing well. So about the cuttings that I made with these three, I will let them dry and then cellulose enough, and then with that I will just put in water to propagating, and then once it's rooting well, then I will start to put in soil, so in that way I can propagate as well. Thank you for watching, and then if you subscribe my YouTube channel or Instagram, you will be able to see what's gonna be happen later. Thank you, then I will see you later.